Guys, this is part of that blade guide. This is the linear bearing on it. Here is the number if you ever need it. H20B. It was very straightforward, easy to replace. Right up here, comes with a new Zerk fitting. You put it on either side. I put it on that side. I'll probably end up breaking it off now that I look at it from the Cant. Probably put it on the other side, but I put it there. Very straightforward and simple. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. We had a little problem the other day with the blade guides. We changed the ceramics out, and we noticed, Nick noticed, my blade guide was getting really loose. I never noticed it. It needed a new linear bearing, so we got that taken care of. We got it installed there, and I showed some video of it at the beginning. That's what I was showing you there. So, but we're going to take care of these 3 or 4. What do we got? 4 olds here, Nick?
We've got 3 more left on.
Or is there 4?
4, sorry, 4.
4. So we got a couple hundred more board feet, 1-inch board, deck boards for the deck.
Yeah, hopefully everything's a lot smoother today, Jerry. Like, no problems.
Smooth. No problems, no waves,
full
no
production.
anything. We were having some issues the other day. Just couldn't find our rhythm, but I feel a lot of it had to do with the situation with the blade guide. So let's get this going. Without further ado, let's roll.
Let's get to it. Right, we need to put your water pipe back on as well, I've noticed that.
Oh, yep.
Let's go and plug that back in. Hold on, Derek. Well, clean these bunks a little bit, because that can hang it up, can't it?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Which way we're going?
That last one's always got a little funky happening to it, but the fan seems to be cutting really nice.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Right, we'll get that loaded. Oh, okay, keep going for it.
Oh, that's a rotter.
Yeah. Got some what do we do, buddy? 5 more logs today?
5 more logs and some hiccups.
We had a couple of hiccups today. You saw at the beginning we were able to get that linear bearing installed. Very simple. I'm the first. I haven't heard of anybody ever replacing that yet in any of the forums or anything.
Nope.
So 5 years it looks like is you might have to replace that, and I got 2 of them for $37. So don't fret over the cost of that. Very easy repair.
Yeah, just keep it greased.
Just keep it greased, and I'm going to be true to you guys.
Yeah.
My grease fitting broke off of that thing almost on day 1. So what I was always doing is I was always oiling it up. But now that I see how that thing works, you got to have grease in it.
Need grease in
it
there,
needs grease, just not enough oil to
you
protect
can see
those
them
bearings.
were cruddy and a little bit rusty.
What bearings were left?
True. But no, Jerry's done good on the controls. We've had 5 logs done. I've obviously swamped, and it just got around about midday again there. It just went crazy with heat again. So, but no, it's been good, and that blade is finished now. Well, like, it's not toast, but it's.
I think we're going to pull it. It's got 10 logs on it, and I just don't want to push it anymore. In fact, we'll give you some sharpening video of that.
Did you count how many board feet we've got around?
We're close to 500 BDF right now.
Not on that blade.
And that's 10 logs and only 500 BDF. We could keep going, but only because we're running through the dirt, guys. We're running a lot of small logs, and they're dirty.
Was that the one that went behind the blade, behind the pulleys as well?
No, that was the one we jumped.
Oh, of course.
So we got only 4 on that one, and then we got 5 on, or 10 on this one.
Another thing that happened, we had to change your drive belt as well.
Yes, my drive belt, a big chunk came out of it. We're watching it, and all of a sudden it just started fluttering.
Well, Jerry was watching it. I was, I was in daydream land, and then all of a sudden he's like, and I was like.
What are you looking at? Stop! That happens. So we got new drive belt on it. Now we're gonna be having a sharp band on it in the morning. I put brand new blade guides on it. Brand new blade guide bearings.
Yep.
What else? It seems like we've done a few more things.
We may as well just.
But the linear bearing, the linear bearing as well.
It's a brand new mill almost, guys.
It feels tight, guys. So hey, if you like this content, smash the thumbs up, leave a comment. Don't forget to share it with a friend. This is for my deck, as I mentioned. If I didn't mention it, that's what it's for. Yeah,
so you're going to be heavily. Oh, what's it? Post editing this wood. That's the only wood. You're going to be putting through planer, aren't you?
Oh yeah, it's all going to go through a thickness planer. Yeah, I'll do probably just one side, to be honest with you. I'll do the proper side so it cups instead of crowns.
Yeah, and then you're going to be
crowns instead of cups.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Then he's going to be round over in the edges, and it'll be golden.
It'll look good.
Yeah.
We had the treated lumber on there before, and you saw it. It's all.
Yeah. It's not. We've had the conversation. It's not the same anymore.
It really isn't.
No, so you've had stuff that's treated from years back that's still going well today, and you've had stuff that's on that deck there that's been 10 years, more or less.
10 years, and it's already going out.
Yeah.
So, guys, I can't thank Nick enough. I'm so excited to have him. We're going to be at the Paul Bunyan show. Now, when you see this, it's going to be down the road, but we're going out there the next couple of days. What's today? Tuesday. So we'll be leaving Friday morning.
Tuesday,
And I'm looking forward to seeing all these cats down there, too.
I can't wait. Yeah, there's a few people who've already expressed interest in meeting us off the video that I'd quickly got out there, but guys, it's going to be so exciting for me. But I know you guys are going to see this way down the road, but
I'll try to get it out in the next week or so. So it's still relevant to Paul Bunyan. And then there will definitely be some Paul Bunyan content between the two of us.
100%, yeah. Well, thank you to my subscribers and viewers as well, because we've got the 2 cameras side by side here, so we're just doing a closing together. And thank you, Jerry, again for the experience, and I appreciate everything.
Absolutely. Thank
You
you.
and your wife are amazing.
We're having a great time, guys. We really are. We're working, but
yeah.
we're playing too.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, we're not working all day.
No, we're vacationing.
Yeah, and you're retired.
And I'm retired, so
we can't be working too hard.
No. We don't want to do this too hard.
I quite like the retired life.
Yeah, we put in about 6 hours a day, and then after that, it's about fun.
Yeah. So thanks very much, guys. We'll catch you all on the next one. Till the next video. Peace out.
Ciao.
Ciao.